Hi, I'm Kirly-sue and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some seeded crackers for you. They're quick, easy to make, tasty and so versatile as well, and healthy. Oh, and I have been sent these, oh you can't see them, hold them up, by Tracklements. They are some tasty sauces. So first of all I've got sriracha chili sauce. And this one is rocket hot sauce, so I think this can blow your socks off, but they're quite merciful at Tracklements, so they don't make it too hot. And this is smoking chipotle sauce. So with these sauces, I'm going to use the crackers to try the sauces, so stay tuned all the way to the end to see how I get on with these sauces. So for the ingredients, you're going to need 1 cup of mixed seeds. For this one, I've got pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds, but you can also use poppy seeds, hemp seeds, flax seeds, whichever you like. 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of oregano, or oregano as we say in the UK, half a teaspoon of garlic, so you can either use dried or fresh, half a teaspoon of salt, 2/3 of a cup of chickpea flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/3 of a cup of water. Now all the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description below, so if it's cups I'll convert what cups are to imperial and metric, so don't worry, all the measurements are in the description box below. In a bowl, mix all of the dry ingredients. So we've got our seeds and our nutritional yeast, oregano, garlic, salt, and our chickpea flour. Give that a stir. Make sure if there's any kind of little lumps, you can mash those down because of flour. And you could sift the flour if you wanted to as well. For some reason I didn't, I don't know why, but yeah. So give that a stir, and then you're going to add your wet ingredients. So the olive oil and the water. So give that a good stir so that it gets through all of the mixture. So what you're looking for is to make sure there's no dry pockets of the mixture. There we go. So you're going to let that sit for 5 minutes before we put it in the oven to bake. After 5 minutes, I'm going to now transfer it onto some baking paper. You can use parchment, any non-stick paper that can go in the oven. Take it out, just from there. I'm just going to make sure I don't leave any, don't like to waste, so make sure I get all the mixture out of the bowl. There. Alright, just move that. Then what you do next is put another piece of baking paper on top, and then you use a rolling pin to roll it out to 1/2 centimeter, so basically as thin as you possibly can. So once that's done, you remove the top sheet of baking paper, like that. And then you're going to pop it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes. This is how it should look. So then we're going to leave it to cool for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to try it with the sauces. Now that it's cool, we're going to break it apart into some cracker type shaped pieces. Still a little bit warm, but yeah, it smells wonderful. And I could have even rolled it out even slightly thinner, but yeah, that's how it looks. So now the crackers are done, I'm going to try them. It has a nice snap, it's crunchy, flavorful. Nice, I'd recommend them. So now, I'm just going to get 3 pieces of the crackers, and then I'm going to try these different sauces with the crackers. Right. So the first one is smoking chipotle sauce. Actually, let me shake it up first. Yeah. This is smoking chipotle. And then we also have the sriracha chili sauce. And the third one we have is the rocket hot sauce. I don't know how hot the hot's gonna be. I'm slightly scared, but let's just be brave and try it. So let me shake this up a little bit more. Yeah, that looks better. Alright, so that's the rocket sauce. Okay. So let's start with the chipotle one. That's nice. Not too hot. Slight hum, is very flavorful. Nice burst of flavor. So that's a chipotle, and this is the sriracha chili sauce. That's nice. Slightly hotter, but not too hot than the chipotle, but it tastes very nice. I'd say this is mild, this is slightly more than mild, and then this is the one. Let me see. So this is the rocket hot sauce. It's very nice. It's not too hot. I'd say this is medium. It's not too hot. It's not gonna cause an explosion. It's nice flavors, and it will be a nice accompaniment to, you can put it on hot dogs, you can put them on anything you like really, where you need a nice sauce, so you can add it to your favorite dishes. So anywhere you'd use sweet chili sauce, you can use this. So you can use it in wraps, you can use it with falafels, you can use it in sandwiches, rolls, you can use it with your savory vegan meat substitutes. You can use that for dipping, so you can use them definitely as dipping sauce as well. So they're very nice. And the crackers, you've got to make these. If you do make these, tag me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you see more videos just like this one. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.